up, YouTube? 2017 GMC Terrain. Customers complaining of a loud roaring noise when turning on the AC. I've diagnosed it as the blower motor. The bearings are going bad in it. I don't know if you can hear it on video. I got it running right now. I'm going to show you how to change it. And before you change it, you got to pull this little cover off right here. This is going to be 3 bolts. It's going to be 2 on the front and 1 in the corner right here, and a little clip right there you got to take off. And the size of those bolts are going to be a 9/32. And the size of the blower motor bolts are going to be 1/4 inch. Oh, let's get down in here and get this bad boy pulled. Now I still got the car running, so it's all good. Just gonna unplug that thing. Pull down your tab right there. Little security tab. You can take these out with your fingers. Just like that. 3 of them, I'm guessing. Let's go ahead and take the back one off first. Very easy job. Oh, and if I haven't disclosed, please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know if I said it. My mind's getting old and forgetful. And we got the new one here. It's aftermarket, so it's designed a little differently, but it'll work. Line her up. It's only going to line up one way, so you can't do it wrong. Just like that. All right, now we got 2 secured, so. Ooh, it's hot up under here. Oh, that 3rd bolt in, I'm going to plug her in, make sure it's working. Oh yeah, much quieter. Blowing a lot harder too. Okay, she's in. Not loose. So we'll cover back on. The small one goes in the back one, the 2 long ones go in the front. Okay. Got the AC on, it feels nice. Yeah. Old fingers are starting to cramp up a little bit. Maybe the bigger one. Yeah, I'm gonna get my ratchet for this. I took that off with my ratchet. I laying over there like a dummy. I think you get the gist. I don't need to finish it up. It's just a cover. Car's fixed though, and it's nice and quiet and blowing harder. They're gonna be happy. So, like I said, y'all follow, subscribe. Y'all have a good day. Peace out.